this video, I'm going to show you how to get Facebook on your MacBook computer. So I'll be showing you how to download and install Facebook onto your MacBook. Now all you need to do is go and open up the Google Chrome browser. If you don't already have this installed, then you can download Google Chrome completely for free. Once you're on Google Chrome, we need to head over to the Facebook website. Now once you're on Facebook, we need to come up to the top right hand side and click on these three vertical dots. You can then scroll down this list and click on Cast, Save and Share. Now from the list of options, click on Install Facebook and then press Install. Now, as you can see, this will install Facebook as its own application on your Mac computer. And what you can do is close out of your internet browser and you can see the Facebook app is still open like this. You can see we have the Facebook icon in the bottom of the taskbar, and this will also be saved to your applications as well. So if you go and open up the Launchpad, you can see we now have the Facebook app installed. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.